The UK is famous for rain. We're an island in the North Sea after all. As such, us Brits have many ways to describe rain. Instead of simply saying, "it's raining," here are some British phrases you can use instead, starting with very light rain and getting progressively worse. Spitting. That rain that's so small and light you can barely see it. It's nearly always spitting somewhere in England. What do you need an umbrella for? It's only spitting a bit. Drizzling. Drizzle is also light, but be warned, if you stand in drizzle long enough, you might realise you're actually soaking wet. It's just a bit of drizzle, no need for a coat. Showers. The weather forecast will often include showers, patches of rain that come and go like you're under a shower. Not super heavy, but heavier than drizzle. Showers are forecast across the south of England today as a weather front moves in from the Atlantic. Tipping down, chucking down, throwing down. As if someone is throwing the rain down from the clouds at you. It's getting heavy now, but us Brits probably still won't use an umbrella. Blimey, it's chucking it down. The barbecue is going to be ruined. Bucketing down, pelting down, or the more vulgar and impolite, pissing down. It's probably not a good idea to sit in the pub garden now. You're going to be drenched through, as if buckets of rain are falling on your head. This sort of rain is like being thrown into the sea. Good luck if you're caught outside. I was driving on the M4 today and it was bloody pissing down. I couldn't even see the lanes. Raining cats and dogs. Used since the 16th century when domestic animals might take shelter in thatched roofs, it's raining so heavily that cats and dogs might fall down into your house. The festival's surely going to be cancelled. It's been raining cats and dogs for days. Downpour, torrential rain. A sudden, violent eruption of water that seems to come out of nowhere and takes you by surprise. Torrential rain can also last for a very long time. We had torrential rain the whole holiday, downpour after downpour until the streets flooded. It's getting biblical. Like the great flood in the Bible, you'd better take your animals and put them in a boat. Extreme rain that lasts for days or weeks. This spring saw record downpours of biblical proportions. Do you know any more phrases? Maybe some regional variations? As always, let me know in the comments and please do subscribe if you enjoyed the video. See you next time.